What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and this happened to Open Government Investigations.
Yo, what the fuck? Why are you pointing that gun at me?
He was in Sebring, Florida, and I decided to go back to Sebring, Florida the day after. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. There will be links in the description below. And I'm out. Soliaker, deuces.
You too.
Is it real?
Yes, sir.
Wait, what is the rifle for?
Oh, it's just for my own protection and your protection.
Oh,
yeah. I don't want to see anybody get hurt. Like did you hear about that shooting in Texas?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, we got to make sure we protect the youth. You know, sometimes the police aren't there to protect you, and sometimes it's good to have a good guy with a gun.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what's your YouTube channel?
The Armed Fisherman.
I'm gonna set you up when I get home.
Yeah. I got like 76,000 subscribers or something like that.
That's a lot.
No, that's just a little bit. Yeah, subscribe. Tell your friends. Are there any fish in here? Over here?
Down that way.
All right.
God damn it! I found rock. Don't even move. Do it.
How y'all doing? You can ask me anything you want. Come on over, everybody, come on over. Let's get some education. We're in school right now. We're gonna educate you. Oh, somebody lost their shirt. Somebody's shirt just went over. Somebody lost their shirt. I don't know whose it was.
Okay.
But yeah, ask me anything you want.
So why do you carry them?
Because in this day and age, with all the shootings and all the craziness that's going on, we need good people with guns. I'm that guy. I'm the good guy with a gun.
What's with the GoPro?
I have a YouTube channel as well.
Hey!
YouTube, hey, yeah, look up my channel. It's called The Armed Fisherman. And under Florida law, it is lawfully to openly carry a firearm while you're engaged in fishing, hunting, or camping.
That's like section something.
7-9.
I know what you're talking about.
It's probably because of me. I'm that guy.
Yeah.
But anyway, what I'm noticing is that in gun-free zones,
What's
like
it called?
the Armed Fisherman, in gun-free zones, you guys don't have protection there. You know that, right? And that's what we're noticing is like in these school shootings, there's nobody there to protect you guys. There might be one cop there to protect you against a guy that's just off his rocker. You know what I mean?
What happened in Texas?
Exactly what happened in Texas. And there was police there, and it took them over an hour to engage the shooter. So for 1 hour, that lunatic was able to kill many innocent children. It's it's okay, bro. You're gonna be fine, man. But I'm not gonna hurt you. That's the difference. And see how he's got this mentality that somebody with a gun or somebody with a 5.56 is gonna hurt. Yeah, Snapchat this.
Yeah.
If you have absolutely 100% the right to record me right now, and I couldn't say anything.
What is this?
So it is your right to record me. Snapchat this. Tell your friends. Under the law, as long as you're fishing, hunting, or camping, it is legal to do what I'm doing right now.
With this 5.56 on him.
Oh! You didn't see that one. Oh snap! You didn't see the small one. But see, you guys are all right here, and I have no ill will. I'm not trying to hurt you.
If you're gonna shoot me, just shoot me now.
No, but seriously, if there was gonna be if I was here to hurt people, it would have already been done, right? Absolutely.
Is that what happened over there?
Hey, you'll be on your. I'll give you here. No. You're not going to be able to touch my firearm. As much as you'd like to touch it, no. If you had a fishing license, maybe. If you have a fishing license, I'll let you start fishing, and I'll put this over you.
Can I try fishing?
Well, you don't have a fishing license, so it's illegal.
Okay.
Hey, I'm just trying to protect you. This is my YouTube channel.
Oh shit.
Share this with everybody.
Okay, you're gonna unblock me too. Oh, what's your thinking?
Well, anyway, there you go. Here you go. All right, you're good. Yeah, check out my YouTube channel. And like I said, not everybody with a gun is a bad person. You know, I have no ill will, and every one of you is actually more protected right now.
Bro, thank you, because wait, were you the guy over there with the firearm?
No, that was a friend of mine.
Oh, okay, well, there was like dudes coming in with like
ARs. Oh yeah. I saw the video. And see, so far, obviously they're not coming again. So I mean, with all you here, I was actually kind of shocked. I didn't know there'd be a bunch of you know, a lot of the youth here. Get your ass in here! Are you guys just getting out of school for the summer? Yeah.
Today was our last day.
Nice. Summertime. I remember those days.
I got motherfucking summer school, but I'm not going. Can you trap in one more time, please? Have you got things to grab a shirt?
I just got here. I've been fishing for like 20 minutes. So what grade are y'all in? 8? Oh snap, high school. This is how old I am. I started high school in 1994.
Oh, that means you're older than my mom.
I'm pretty old. Come on, I age well. I still look young.
I'm gonna start something. What's with the? I feel like getting cheated on.
With the AR?
I bet you.
It's for your protection and my protection.
Ain't nobody gonna mess with it.
Yeah, well, nobody's gonna mess with you right now, I'll tell you that. I got your back, you know what I mean? Thanks, bro. Thank you for subscribing. No, I'm good. I got my Gatorade and stuff over there. I got some chips. No, I appreciate it, man. I really do. See? I love having these interactions with, especially with the youth, you know. And for you guys, do you guys remember the Parkland shooting? Yeah, that Parkland shooting, you actually lost some of your rights because of that. Because when that happened, the government, here in Florida, they instilled a law that says that you can't purchase a firearm at the age of 18, which I don't agree with. I think if you are competent and smart, you should be able to possess a firearm at any age, as long as you know what you're doing with a firearm, you know what I mean? There are bad people with guns, you know, and that's why we need good people with guns.
Say lane. And they were not in the back, not in the back, in front of the.
All your friends are gonna freak out when they see this video, aren't they?
I like your gun, sir.
Well, thank you very much, bud. See ya.
Bye.
It'll be up either today or tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be looking for your comment.
Okay.
And over there by the tree lines, and I'll point it out here on the thing. I've got two in the parking lot, and I think there's a third one hanging out. But they're just sitting there, and I know who called. It was one of those little parks and recreation people. You know, if you can see that yellow vest at that white car, that's him talking to somebody. But anyway, yeah. Hey, what's going on, bud?
Anything?
Nah, man, I only saw like little babies like this big.
Yeah, it's usually at night.
Yeah.
And the park's closed at night.
Yeah.
So you can't do anything.
It is. Is there another like fishing spot around here, like that actually has fish?
Not without getting in a boat.
Yeah.
There's not a lot because it's really too hot right now.
Yeah, it is hot.
Because we got a lot of our local guys that'll fish, but you'll see them at
Early
dusk,
morning.
right
Early morning, late at
just as
night.
the park opens and right before the park
Duh,
closes.
no. Oh well, life goes on, you know. Can't catch them all.
Nope.
All right, man. Have a good one. See ya.